You're gonna catch us. Dusty tail lights fading off on a one-way. Watercolor sky, water tower spray painted on. In John Deere green.
What is up, guys? SP Outdoors here, and today I got a package from MPS Industrial Pro Staff right here, right there, and we're gonna do an unboxing on it, or unpackaging, you know. So yeah, what I was talking about MPS is, we'll get the sticker out, but MPS is place where you can get free points, get free lures, free anything for fishing, you know. You earn points, and then you get free stuff like this, what I'm about to unbox. It's a great company, great app, you know. So let's get into this unbox. I'm getting knocked out right here. No. Alrighty. Well, that was my bad. First off, I accidentally cut this. I didn't think they sent stickers with it, and I thought it was part of the package, but I could still peel this off and use it. But they sent me a sticker, so now I have 4 stickers. So if I'm gonna give away one, I'm gonna give away a brand new one. But I'm gonna use this one, put it on the Rhino or my car, and I'll just put it in here right here. Alright guys, we're back out here. Go put this on the Rhino right here, and I'll get back to y'all after I get it done. There we go, guys, right there. Look at fresh. Literally took me about 10 seconds to put this on, and there we go. Next, we have what I actually got, and I've been needing some of this. I have another one right here of shad scent. It's not what came in it, but I bought this. It's working great. It smells just like shad, and it is really good. Now this is what I got in the package. If I can cut this open. I'll keep that on there. See if I can't just cut. Alright, there we go. That should look good. Alright. So here it is. Crawfish scent. Full is brand new. As you see, I just pulled it off. Never been used, you see. Never been used. And this is what you get if you get MPS right there. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time.